So, I don't know, loud intro, I'm sorry. But so, miraculously, popped my brand new f***ing back tire again. It's still got air in it, but it's I can tell it's losing air fast because it's making me lag. I can't f***ing express how mad I am right now. We just got this. I just got off of work and I just got home and I'm hungry and I'm sweating. I want to take a fucking shower. I'm gonna f***ing cry. I'm sorry. I know it's loud. I'm really mad because it's a brand new tire and guess what? It's dead center too. It's dead center again. I can't even. I didn't even get out of the fucking parking lot before I called Dennis. I'm like, hey, come here. I want you to check my tire because I think there's something on it. You know, you heard the phone call. And then after I turned off my camera, I rolled it back until I heard it. Then I rolled it forward so that I'd be able to see it. And there it fucking is a bolt dead center in my back tire. I don't even know how I do this shit. My fucking luck. Seriously. I'm almost out of gas, dude. God damn it! Fucking motherfucking ass fucking titty sucking. There it and I fucking heard it. I heard it. Because I was going slow and I was finally able to hear over my engine and I fucking heard it. So now here I am gonna be like a fucking week without my motorcycle again. I'm so fucking pissed. I cannot explain. And I'm coming home from work. I don't want to go through this again. Now I gotta fucking turn and it's gonna be all awkward and shit. Cause, yeah, now I'm really fucking like, it feels off. I don't like it. I feel like something's trying to stick me to the ground. I feel like something's tugging me from behind. I don't know how I do this shit. Shit's been so fucking stressful, man. Why is adulting so hard? Like, really? Why is adulting so hard? Who decided it needed to be like this? Because if it's life, I'm done taking your lemon suppositories. Fuck you, lemon suppositories. The whole lemon suppositories too. Like whole lemons. I can fucking hear it. So fucking mad. It's not one thing, it's a another.